Mama wakwaba midin ede ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo, there is this girl on social media also a friend Lordina Mahamaba or something. Or the ensembia betuja afa Dr. Kweku Oteng the one na ebusiafo menka senche no yenti ensema ababawe ede atuja ne yansomra. Mama wakwaba midi ede ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news.
Ukunu boom my support papa John Dramani Mahama first lady for back kwa duma ye odonso mami Lordina duma ye kro wabo aduma chen na nato na montagi Angel FM mami on kanche Dr. Kweku say Lordina Mahama papa share Dr. Kweku I put it to you. How dare you, Kwaku, wouldn't answer Dr. Kweku? Many make a show. DR Doctor Nedamosqua. We are doctor. Mawunyan Sancheri. For Dr. Nankoto, who didn't swabra wouldn't answer. Kwaku wouldn't answer. Put it to you. I tell you, so Kwaku wouldn't answer. Dear Tinamate and Hakata Kwaku so wouldn't answer. Say, Shekatachia free for Satman, no dinner, but Rebellion Kwaku just only. Don't Dramani Mahama tem katachia free funny don't Dramani Mahama tem katachia free funny Mammy Lordina Mahama tem na Kwaku tintina baby morning some and Fambesani katachia free for some quiet more Angel FM Kwaku tin wouldn't answer ni when you know Jawin sa watching Mimi diatam must Porsche diatam Minian Ghana for Mumma Metia view Shekatachia free for diabetim Papa don't Dramani Mahama tem say diabetim Mammy Lordina Mahama tem na me catch Dr. Kweku say nam se woni nyansa wasane akwapa champagne katachia free fanti Dr. Kweku da katachia free fa baba kasa fu bia wo internet nsu bia Dr. Kweku me baba di water styles ye wo fie ntam na me baba catch Kweku katachia free fa ne ma menyem no oni memannum na di katachia free fa ma ne ma me wo katachia free fa papa na nya ne papa memannum nya ne ma me dai oponko ye test nhwe ni na na be mo wo ne ma me one ne ma me dai. What you say? Me Kwaku once so yiri panyin ne ho otane pa se wuram ha.
Ebusiafo ye na yate ensema ababawe ede atudwa. Ensemhu na watwe camera ede esine so edi. Atemdidi na ensema kese a watumi aka ede akere Dr. Kweku Oteng, a man who has been able to employ a lot of Ghanaians, a lot of Ghanaian youth omo eye adwuma e wone company e na sababa we etumi edinatem adenya okatechie afrifa edi omanpeni dada John Dramani Mahama e na nere ma Lordina tem e na odi omo atem wie no Dr. Kweku Oteng wafa no se onkoye adwuma e wo Angel FM ne santino Dr. Kweku Oteng enim atemdidi a okatachi afrifa edi omanpeni dada John Dramani Mahama entino obedi natem for no reason. Now you see Dr. Kweku Oteng SSS agelwe otchino omana embra enini di because Dr. Kweku Oteng onye politician, onye minister, onye MP, onye assemblyman, onye president. Politicians no ena say Ghana fo bi edi omo atema ebi mo ekasa omo deserve because enema bi wo ho mo eya enye nti so bi di politician bi atema e wo so omo ye mpanifo omo di omo atema wani boso a ehadwimo but omo ye politicians omo ne Ghana fo enye di yentimi nka but Dr. Kweku Oteng onye politician nti asese sa girl we umana embra enini di because ensema wa ka kire no emu yedu na egu no finso. You see, it is about time as I say Ghana phone penifoni bi omu put some people in the places omu deserve it. It is about time as I say penifoni bi put some people in the places omu deserve it because Jimino adoso wo many more politicians no omu ehu say sebi otimemi foni bi Jimmy into omo ya ade a o se we mu do omo ejimiti ana se we mu de se bi o se omo ni mo left from omo right nti ye bi nkoye anim ena ye bum saa e wo oman mu chini no e ya doso. We live in a country where nurses are running to Canada, UK just to go and work to get huge salaries. We live in a country where professional teachers are running to UK, Canada just to go and work. Other countries just to go and work so that they will get a lot of money as their salary. Sa country no ena ye woman ebi mo etwe camera esi omo anim edim penifuna tem for no reason. Ebi omo ni fact. Obu ha tem obi wo no di atema you could see say onim the reason why pointed watch camera esi so odi atem no. And I say what be and odi atem. What's baba we watch camera esi openia wa be companies wo Ghana ha wa fa Ghana fo bi omo ye adwuma. E wa bra me ken se bi o bia na obusuani bi empom bi company ba ko mpo emfa adwuma ye fo. O ye ja Dr. Kweku Oteng. Meanwhile, NDC phone na mo complain is adwuma eni o man mu, but obi a create adwuma and ofo bi a mo say hey, you are insulting this man because wa for katache frifa e wa adwuma mu. Ade o katache frifa e di o man penida da John Dramani Mahama and anira atem. Really. His Excellency Nana Addo Kweku and anira Mame Lordina, Vice President Dr. Bawumia and a Second Lady Samira Bawumia. Are they not human beings? And you see, sometimes when you're a good citizen, it hurts. Sometimes so you have to keep quiet because this NPP and NDC people, they are the same. Me, I see it to say Ghana Hanom, NDC and NPP and Omule. Since NDC be 8 years. Intino omo ya kwakwasa na omo akona NDC fo aba omo so aba ben rich omo no omo akona omo aba. That is how our country net. And this are Kenya we be saying enkoso. And then you see Ghanaians you go amemo ye ho kire ye ni proper medical care, ye ni proper hospitals, ye ni proper roads. To say a lot of things are not going on well in this country. And then His Excellency Nana Addo Kweku, he has done well. He has done well, really well. His Excellency Nana Addo Kweku, despite maybe enkoye na the yemfa into change, the face reality no. His Excellency, why are they? And then you sit on social media, put camera on you, and then insult a manful because you are campaigning for Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama, a man now obey a president, or did do so essay companies, a manful a lot of people died during that doom sono. A lot of companies a collapse, movie industry and they Kuma would fast or almost Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama, a mizah and to Mumu Bidano, Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama, and the collapsing movie industry no with doom so. You are campaigning and insulting people just to bring Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama. A manner, yebre wo menu, a manner, hospital, teachers, na nurses, almost running to other countries just to go and work no when you're good pay no. Sa Oman no no, Oman Penny or wababy diso or sanswaba no. The obeti na catch and say, or babu in kukobu and then kokon kitten. Can you imagine? And you are on social media campaigning for him. Just will be on Kwakansa Mahama, then I obey, and then you are insulting people. Just what is Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama? What is he coming to do? This is a simple answer, and we just need a simple. This is a simple question, and we need a simple answer. What is Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama coming to do with that 4 years? And there is a president on a castle where be an annual 4 years is not enough. So what? This is crazy. President Wabedi Oman Soda and Yaman Koya ya sacking with over 1 million votes. This person is coming back. Also, Ababu and Kukobun Kutenkete, Amayuti no and Yajumaye. And then we are clapping for him to come back. Sometimes I see some comments on social media where the youth are commenting, we need Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama to come back, Mahama to come and save us. What the hell? Omapenda that John Dramani Mahama. Me, I don't have any problem with NDC. I love NDC. Me you NDC fear where you NPP near you dare not so baby fear. Me mama am net nine. You dare not say we NDC NPP near baby fear because we are strong NDC. That is a fear me you. I love NDC. I love NPP. But you see, Omanpenida that John Dramani Mahama is never an option. Da. Opa mundi atem kosi saying Omanpenida that your option da. Now watch a camera and see also a Dr. Kweku, a man who has been able to employed a lot of Ghanaians on a company. So Dr. Kweku, it is about time I Ghana phone penny from 1 year. Oh, and yes, no mood, no mood, put her in the place or deserve it. Next time, on your camera and send us so ending sim because you are not a politician. And I say or criticize the government and you are not a politician. Dr. Kweku, deal with this girl because she knows social media and so do. And this food will be for back. Miss Danina your problem because the person is coming with fresh ideas. I don't have any problem with that. But on my painted that John Dramani Mahama president, I don't know my painted that John Dramani Mahama, yeah, NPP phone ye be that. We need someone betting about anything like something extraordinary. I been see what Ghana hand with that. That is the person I hear. Oh, come on. Be careful on because I would social media because Jimmy does what on my mood. I also sometimes we would ask my what is the meaning of that? I would check camera and say Dobini Papa them because I call Mahama Nasem crowd. What for a free fire were dreaming into you are insulting the man. What nonsense!